Welcome back to my curry workshop. Today I'm going to introduce you to the new member of my 10-minute base gravy family, 1 cup base. A 10-minute base gravy has been used by many people. I've got over 10,000 views now for version 1 and version 2, links below. And thank you for sending in pictures of both your base gravies and your finished BIR style dishes. You may ask why you need just 1 cup. Well, I'll put it simply, for times when you want a BIR curry in a hurry, you don't have any pre-made base, and you don't want to order a takeaway. Yes, you could always make an authentic dish, but sometimes you just want a BIR style dish. I cook both, love both. So let's have a look at the ingredients for 1 cup base. Most BIR style curries require approximately 350 to 500 millilitres of base gravy, depending on how much sauce or gravy you like the finished dish to have. This microwavable cup holds, when full, 600 ml. So I'm going to make about 500 ml today, which is ample for a hearty curry for 1 or a curry for 2 people. So let's have a look at the ingredients. So as this is a 1 cup base, I'll be going in with 1 cup of diced white onions. That's approximately 150 grams. And because it's in a cup, that will be 250 millilitres of volume of onion. I will also be using half a tablespoon each of garlic and ginger paste, vegetable oil, and concentrated tomato puree. For the spices, I'll be using 1/4 teaspoon each of turmeric, cumin, coriander, paprika, tandoori masala, and salt to taste. Also be adding in 1 cup of hot water at the start of the cookery process. I'll be adding in more water at the end to adjust the consistency and to fill up my microwavable mug to approximately 500 millilitres in total. Okay, let's have a look at the method. This method is as easy as it gets when it comes to making base gravy. Literally, we're going to combine all the ingredients, give it a stir, pop into the microwave, cook for 10 minutes, blitz, done, make a curry. So let's bring it all together. So first of all, we're going to go in with the onions. That's 1 cup. The oil, the garlic ginger paste, the tomato puree, the spices. I'm going to put in the warm water, so 1 cup in total, half, and 1. I'm going to give it a good stir. Keep stirring until everything's blended together. I'll just hold this up to the camera now. Liquid, nice reddish brown colour. Okay, so liquid-wise, up to here, so we've got the 1 cup of onions, 1 cup of water. I'm going to go lid on, open the valve, pop into the microwave, set it to full power, 10 minutes, and off we go. So I'll see you in 10 minutes. All done, out we come. Okay, as we've been boiling liquid for 10 minutes, just take care now, just in case the liquid is superheated. So before opening the mug, just give it a minute, just allow the temperatures to drop and the pressures, if there's any pressures that are built up. I mean, this has a pressure release valve on, so I know there's no pressure in there. But once you're happy, just carefully open the lid. I always open away from myself, in case there's any explosions. And because of the evaporation, liquid levels are down to about half a mug at this point in time. Now that smells lovely. Just give it a stir. You can see the onions nice and soft, translucent. So the next step, we're going to add in another cup of hot water. That's straight out of the kettle. And then we're going to blend. You can either use a traditional blender. That's probably the safest option. Or the stick blender. Now, what I wouldn't recommend is that you blend in this small cup. The stick blenders tend to suction to the bottom. You don't want to spill. So what I'm going to do today, just so you can see what's going on, I'm going to transfer what will become the base gravy into my blending jug. In we go. Just bring that up to the camera. There's approximately 300 millilitres of liquid in there at the moment. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add it in the extra cup. In we go with the cup of hot water. Use my stick blender. Blend away until silky smooth. Keep having a look for any lumps. Give it another blitz. And I think we're done. Just so you can see it more easily, I'm going to pour it into this little glass bowl. About the consistency of semi-skimmed milk. Beautiful. Okay, moment of truth. Perfecto. And there we have it. 1 cup base, Cooked in 10 minutes, ready to be used in any BIR curry of your choice. So if you've liked my tutorial today, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.